Hello students, in today's session we will learn how to use calculator in complex mode. Now complex numbers can be represented in different forms. We will see two forms here. One is rectangular form. In rectangular form, suppose this is current I, then it can be represented as x plus iy. But in electrical engineering, that small I is reserved for instantaneous current, so we will always use small j to represent the imaginary term. This is real term, this is imaginary term. In polar form, this voltage or current will be equal to r angle theta. R is the magnitude and theta is the angle. Okay, so let us take this example. Let us say this voltage V1 bar is equal to 36.75 plus J 21.22. So this is represented in rectangular form. Let us first see how to convert it in polar form using 991 MS calculator. Again, turn on your calculator. Press mode button. Here number 2 is complex, so press 2. Okay, the calculator is now in complex mode. Now 36.75 plus J 22.22 we need to display. So press 36.75 plus 21.22. We need to press J also. So here press shift and this ENG small I will be displayed. Now this is press equal to, your equation will be displayed. Okay, this is 36.75 shift equal to plus J 21.22. Now I want this equation into polar form. So what we can do, press shift, then press this plus button. Above this press button, it is written, you can see R angle theta converted to polar. So shift plus. What is displayed is answer in the form of R angle theta. We want the equation in that form. So then press equal to, your answer is 42.43. This is the magnitude. Now we want to know the angle. Again press shift and equal to. Here you can see a very small display of angle. So it says it is angle 30.00. Okay, so our answer is what? Our answer is 42.436 at an angle 30.00. So your answer will be like this. So this equation is converted into polar form like this. Okay. Similarly, if you want to convert this polar quantity into rectangular quantity, what you can do? Simply feed the calculator with given data. Okay. Now we have this answer. We have this display. I want to convert it again into rectangular form. Then press shift. Now press minus sign. Here what is displayed? Answer A plus BI. We want the answer in that form. Let us check whether we get the initial values or not. Then press equal to, this is 36.75 and shift again equal to, we get same answer. This 36.75 plus 21.22i. Let us see same example in this calculator, that is 991 ES plus. So turn on your calculator, then press the mode button. Here list of functions is displayed. Second mode is complex. So press 2. Okay. Now press the value 36.75 plus 21.22. We want to press I, so shift ENG. Okay, so this is the complex number displayed here. Press equal to. Okay, if I press this SD button, it will be displayed like this. Okay, now to convert this rectangular form into polar form, what we need to do is shift and this 2. Above this 2, in a bracket it is written complex. So press 2. Now what is displayed? You can get the answer in different forms. At number 3 it is r angle theta, and number 4 is a plus b I. So I want the answer in third form, so press 3. It is answer in r angle theta form. Press equal to. The answer is 42.43 at an angle 30, which is same as that of the previous case. Okay. So this answer is 42.43 at an angle 30.00276. Okay. This is how you can find your answer. Again, if I want to convert this into rectangular form, what I'll have to do? Shift, then 2, then press 4. I want the answer in rectangular form and equal to. Press SD. What you are getting is 36.75 plus 21.22 I. This is where we had started. Okay. Now let us see same example with this calculator, that is EX 991 EX. So again turn on your calculator, press mode button. Okay. Second display is complex, so press 2. Okay. Now your calculator is in complex mode. Again feed the data. We will feed same quantity, that is 36.75 plus 21.22. Here you don't need to press shift. You can directly press this ENG button to get this I, complex I. Okay, this is equal to this equation. Okay, to convert this rectangular form into polar form, simply press this option button. Don't press shift. Here you have to press option, okay, and then down arrow. You can get the answer in two forms. We want the answer in first form, so press 1, then equal to, and see you are getting same answer 42.436 at an angle 30.0027. Okay, if I want to convert it again into rectangular form, again press option, then down arrow, then press 2, equal to SD. You get 36.75 plus 21.22 J. Okay, so this is how we can use calculator to convert rectangular quantity into polar quantity. Okay, we can use these calculators for mathematical operations on the complex numbers. If you want to add two complex numbers or two quantities, simply put the two quantities in two different brackets and add it. You can perform addition, subtraction, multiplication and division on complex numbers using the calculator in complex mode.